मुझे सीखना होगा। I will have to learn. I will have to learn. तुम क्या सोच रहे हो? What are you thinking? What are you thinking? उसका कोई भरोसा नहीं। He is not reliable. He is not reliable. मैं तुम्हारे पास आ रहा हूँ। I am coming to you. I am coming to you. यह तो होना ही था। This had to happen. This had to happen. मुझे अभी भी नहीं पता। I still don't know. I still don't know. मैंने अभी इसे बनाया है। I just made it. I just made it. इसमें मेरा क्या कसूर है? What is my fault in it? What is my fault in it? वह बहुत अच्छा बोलता है। He speaks very well. He speaks very well. मैं इस ड्रेस में कैसी लग रही हूँ? How do I look in this dress? How do I look in this dress? आप मुझे हमेशा डांटते हो। You always scold me. You always scold me. मैं सब कुछ अपने आप करता हूँ। I do everything by myself. I do everything by myself. बड़ों से बात करना सीखो। Learn to talk to elders. Learn to talk to elders. ले लो जो लेना है। Take what you want. Take what you want. वो क्या था? What was that? What was that? और नहीं चाहता। I don't want anything else. I don't want anything else. जाने की जरूरत नहीं है। There is no need to go. There is no need to go. मैं ऐसा दोबारा नहीं करूँगा। I will not do this again. I will not do this again. मैं बस अभी आ रहा हूँ। I am just coming. I am just coming. तुम कुछ नहीं जानते। You don't know anything. You don't know anything. तुम क्या चाहते हो? What do you want? What do you want? क्या मैं अंदर आ सकता हूँ? May I come in? May I come in? इसलिए तो मैंने उसे पीटा। That's why I beat him. That's why I beat him. सोच समझकर बोलो। Think before you speak. Think before you speak. खुद पर विश्वास करो। Believe in yourself. Believe in yourself. किसी भी तरह से इसे करो। Do it anyhow. Do it anyhow. घबराने की कोई बात नहीं है। There is nothing to worry. There is nothing to worry. यह गलती दोबारा नहीं होनी चाहिए। This mistake should not be happen again. This mistake should not be happen again. एक काम करोगे? Will you do one thing? Will you do one thing? तुम्हें ऐसा क्यों लगता है? Why do you think so? Why do you think so? वह तुम्हारे जैसी दिखती है। She looks like you. She looks like you. आपको मेरी बात सुननी पड़ेगी। You will have to listen to me. You will have to listen to me. यह कहना मुश्किल है। It's hard to say. It's hard to say. क्या मैं वजह जान सकता हूँ? May I know the reason? May I know the reason? इसके जिम्मेदार तुम हो। You are responsible for that. You are responsible for that. यह मुझे उसने बताया। He told me this. He told me this. इसमें ऐसा क्या खास है? What's so special in it? What's so special in it? वो तो अभी घर पर नहीं है. He is not at home right now. He is not at home right now. मैं आपको नहीं जाने दूंगा. I will not let you go. I will not let you go. आप क्या कह रहे हैं? What are you saying? What are you saying? तुम मुझसे दूर नहीं जा सकते. You can't go away from me. You can't go away from me. क्या तुमने खाना खा लिया? Have you take your meal? Have you take your meal? तुम खड़े क्यों हो? Why are you standing? Why are you standing? मुझे गुस्सा मत दिलाओ. Don't make me angry. Don't make me angry. पहले मुझे पूरा करने दो. Let me complete first. Let me complete first. बड़ी खुशी का समाचार है. That's a good news. That's a good news. आप मुझे गलत समझ रहे हैं. You are taking me wrong. You are taking me wrong. तुम्हारे पास कितने पैसे हैं? How much money do you have? How much money do you have? मैं कुछ बोलूं? May I say something now? May I say something now? मैं ये यूं ही पूछ रहा था. I am asking this without any reason. I am asking this without any reason. मैं जुबान का पक्का हूँ. I am a person of words. I am a person of words. उससे कौन मिलना चाहता है? Who wants to meet him? Who wants to meet him? अब आपकी तबीयत कैसी है? How are you now? How are you now? मैं तुमसे कुछ पूछ रही हूँ. I am asking you something. I am asking you something. मेरे पास नगद रुपए नहीं हैं. I don't have any cash. I don't have any cash. क्या ये तुम्हारा आखिरी फैसला है? Is this your final decision? Is this your final decision? कौन कहता है तुम पागल हो? Who says that you are mad? Who says that you are mad? क्या तुम कुछ बोलना चाहते हो? Do you want to say something? Do you want to say something? यह किसके लिए है? Who is it for? Who is it for? तुम्हें देर क्यों हुई? Why are you late? Why are you late? बिना मतलब के वहाँ मत जाया करो. Don't go there without any reason. Don't go there without any reason. मुझे एक लेने दो. Let me have one. Let me have one. अपनी शर्ट अंदर खींचो. Tuck your shirt in. Tuck your shirt in. हम सब तुम्हारे साथ हैं. We all are with you. We all are with you. मेरे पास कुछ नहीं है. I don't have anything. I don't have anything. मेरे हाथ गीले हैं. My hands are wet. My hands are wet. इसे ठीक करा दो. Get it repaired. Get it repaired. मुझे जानकारी नहीं है. I have no idea. I have no idea. बहुत देर हो चुकी है. It's too late. It's too late. माचिस जलाओ. Blow out the match. Blow out the match. चालाक मत बनो। डोंट बी स्मार्ट। डोंट बी स्मार्ट। आज आप क्या कर रहे हैं? What are you doing today? What are you doing today? क्या आप अंग्रेजी बोलते हैं? Do you speak English? Do you speak English? मुझे गलत मत समझना। Don't get me wrong. Don't get me wrong.